English Listening Podcasts. Today, we talk about your environment. Your room, your desk, your phone screen, your kitchen, your friends. Because your environment is not neutral. It pushes you. It shapes your behavior. And this is a powerful truth. Motivation is weak. Environment is strong. Many people blame themselves. They say, "I have no willpower. I am lazy. I can't focus." But often, the real problem is simple. Their environment is designed for distraction. So today, we do not fight ourselves. We design the environment. We make good choices easier. Let me tell you a short story. A person wants to study. They sit at their desk, but the desk is messy. The phone is on the table. Notifications are on. 10 tabs are open. They start, then they stop. They feel frustrated. Now imagine the same person with a different setup. Clean desk, phone away, 1 tab open, water ready, notebook ready. Now studying is easy, not because they became stronger, but because the environment became smarter. So today, I give you 2 key ideas. Idea 1. Environment beats willpower. Willpower is like a battery. It gets weaker during the day. When you are tired, you choose the easy thing. So if your environment makes the easy thing bad, you will lose. But if your environment makes the easy thing good, you will win. This is why habits work better with environment design. We do not want to fight temptation. We want to reduce temptation. Idea 2. Change cues. Remove bad cues, add good cues. Your behavior often starts with a cue. A cue is a signal. Example: you see your phone, you scroll. You see snacks, you eat. You see your bed, you lie down. You see your laptop open, you start working. So if you want to change behavior, change cues. We do it in 2 ways. Remove bad cues, add good cues. 1. Remove bad cues. Bad cues trigger bad habits. Examples: phone on the desk, social media apps on the home screen, junk food visible in the kitchen, TV remote on the table, messy space that creates stress. Remove the cue. Put the phone in another room. Move snacks to a closed cabinet. Hide the remote. Close extra tabs. Clean one small area. Small changes matter. 2. Add good cues. Good cues trigger good habits. Examples: book on the pillow. Read before sleep. Gym clothes ready. Exercise. Water bottle visible. Drink water. Notebook open on desk. Write. To-do list visible. Clarity. Cues are like gentle pushing. Now I want to talk about your default. Your default life is your environment. If your default is distraction, you will live distracted. If your default is focus, you will live focused. So the question is, what is my default environment? Your phone home screen is an environment. Your YouTube recommendations are an environment. Your friend's energy is an environment. So this episode is not only about your room. It is about inputs. Inputs create outputs. Now let's do something practical. The 10-minute environment reset. You do not need a big makeover. You need a small reset. Here is the rule. Change one thing today. One thing. Because one thing can start a chain. Here are examples. Clean the top of your desk. Remove one distracting app from home screen. Put phone charger outside bedroom. Prepare gym clothes at night. Put a book next to bed. Put a water bottle on your desk. Make your work file the first tab. Create a focus corner in your room. Now I will give you a short story. A person wants to build a business. They struggle. They think they need more discipline. But their environment is chaos. So they do one small change. They create a simple build desk. Only the tools for building. No gaming. No random papers. No phone. After a week, they feel different. They sit down and start faster. Because the desk tells the brain, now we build. That is environment power. Now, let's talk about friends and people. Your social environment matters. If you spend time with people who complain all day, you will feel heavy. If you spend time with builders, you will feel energy. You do not need to cut everyone, but you need awareness. Ask, who makes me better? Who makes me weaker? Choose more time with people who support growth. Now I will give you a mini plan for today. Mini plan for today. Step 1. Choose one goal. Focus. Fitness. Learning. Sleep. Money. One goal. Step 2. Identify one bad cue. What triggers your bad habit? Example: phone on bed, snacks on the table, messy desk. Step 3. Remove the cue. Move it, hide it, delete it, change it. Make the bad habit harder. Step 4. Add one good cue. Put a good trigger in the same space. Example: book on pillow, water bottle on desk, gym clothes ready. Step 5. Keep it simple for 7 days. Do not change everything. One change for 7 days. Let it become normal. Now do shadowing with me. Repeat slowly. My environment shapes my behavior. I make good choices easier. I remove bad triggers. I design my space. I prepare for success. Small changes matter. I control my inputs. I build a clean life. I choose better defaults. I improve my environment today. Now, here is your challenge today. Change one thing in your environment. One small change. Then notice how you feel tomorrow. If you want more calm episodes like this, subscribe and stay with me. Fix the room. Fix the inputs. Fix the future. See you next episode.